Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very cute and very beautiful pop-up envelope for the baby shower. This is very easy to create. I have added this tag to add extra message, and this is the pocket to add money. So let's start with the procedure. For this we need half cut pearls, scissor, liquid glue, paper cutter, ruler, pencil, pink satin ribbon, some pattern paper related to baby, pink color paper and any standard size envelope. So I'm taking this envelope. I have just opened the envelope. You can find the envelope from any store. And I am taking this craft paper which measures 18 by 7 centimeter. So I'm just tracing the line so that we can cut excess paper from the envelope. Like this. Now I am taking this 18 by 10 centimeter pink color paper and connecting the paper on the inner part of the envelope. Now just join all three flaps. Now I'm adding this pattern paper. So this is the pocket. On the top part also I am adding one sheet which measures 18 by 10 centimeter. I am cutting excess part of the envelope. For this I have taken blue color sheet and added one pattern paper strip to decorate this sheet from top. So this is done. Now I am taking one more pattern paper which measures 18 by 10 centimeters and I am adding this pattern paper on top of the envelope. So this is the front part. Now I am taking this white color sheet which measures 9 by 9.5 centimeter and this pattern paper which measures 8.5 by 9 centimeters. So I'm just connecting the pattern paper on top of white sheet. Now from all four corners I am marking on 1 centimeter from all four sides. Now just create a rectangle shape on this 1 centimeter marking like this. Now from this 1 centimeter line I am marking on 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Repeating this point on top, just join these markings. Like this. Now we just need to cut this and this line. So in short I am cutting 3 edges of the rectangle which we have created on 1 centimeter marking. So I am using my paper cutter. So it's done. Now I am just creasing these 3 and 6 centimeter markings using the pen which is not working. Now fold these creases. So it will work like this. So this is the sliding mechanism. Now I'm just cutting one semicircle shape on top of this card so that we can easily pull the flap. Now I'm taking one more white color sheet which measures 7.5 by 8 centimeters, and I will connect this white sheet with this. So I'm just adding glue on this folded strip. It will work like this. Now I'm adding glue on all three edges. Like this, and taking this pattern paper which measures 9 by 9.5 centimeters, and I'm connecting the pattern paper with the card. So the basic slider card is ready. Now I'm adding this cute baby embellishment on this slided part. I have one pattern paper from which I have cut this baby pattern. If you don't have this, you can just create a little drawing and fussy cut this and add on top of one heart shape. I have added one satin ribbon on this slided card so that we can easily pull the slided portion. Now I'm just adding this card on top of the envelope. And I'm just decorating this envelope using some half cut pearls and some more baby related embellishments. So the cute slider pop-up envelope for the baby shower is ready. I have added this card to add some extra message. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.